We had 9 months to study an interstellar object showing impossible signatures. And then it left forever. Here's what we might have missed. A visitor from another star system. We studied it, documented it, and called it a rock. Now, I can't prove what it was, neither can NASA. So let's explore the scenarios the scientific community refuses to discuss publicly. What if it wasn't visiting? It was surveying, collecting data, building a profile of Earth civilization, sending it back to whoever sent it. This would be the rational move for any advanced civilization making first contact with an unknown species. What if this was a reminder? Ancient civilizations recorded encounters they called gods. What if 3I/Atlas was a modern equivalent? We're still here, still watching. A cosmic check-in that says, "You're not alone. You never were." What if advanced civilizations don't physically travel? What if they send probes that disguise as natural objects? Objects that arrive looking like comets but are actually surveillance technology? We'd never know the difference. And we'd assume the natural explanation because it's the expected explanation. What if we're not alone anymore? And governments know it, but they can't tell us, because saying aliens are visiting Earth causes economic collapse, religious collapse, psychological crisis, mass panic, so they call it a comet. And they pray we don't ask the right questions. Here's what really scares scientists. We had one shot at the biggest discovery in human history. We studied it for 9 months. We'll never get another chance. And we called it a rock. So the question becomes, which scenario is most logical? And which scenario is most terrifying? You don't have to believe any of this, but you can't unknow the probabilities. Comment, scenario 1, 2, 3, or 4. What do you think it was? Watch the full documentary for the complete timeline and all evidence. Link in bio. Subscribe, more impossible truths coming.